Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So the market is actually looking pretty top heavy where we are right now. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this video here. As we can see here, right, like we're looking at the S&P 500. And when we're looking at here right now in the S&P 500, we can see that the S&P 500 has had a very sort of vertical move to the upside, and we're getting very top heavy here. Same with the Dow Jones as well too. Look how sort of big this move to the high side is. To the high side is right now. So that's the Dow Jones, and also the Nasdaq as well too. Same thing, right? Look, we've got pretty much a vertical move up, but we're slowly going up. It's not very strong. We're not really getting any vertical action out of this market here. So that's what we're looking at here right now, and that's what we're seeing here right now in the markets here right now. So the markets are looking pretty top heavy due to the fact that what we're seeing here. So if I go to that weekly chart as well too, you can see that weekly chart. It's really interesting. The Nasdaq is pretty much very close to its long-term support level through here. If I go to the Dow Jones, same thing, very close to that. If I bring that down a little bit more, probably that through there, right? You can see how it's pretty much right onto that level there. And the S&P 500, pretty much similar, same thing as well too, right? We bring that down through there. You can see how it picked it up through there, picked it all up, support, became resistance, and that's why we're having a lot of problems right now. So the market is looking very top heavy where we are right now, and it's really interesting to see what's going on. So for me personally, if I was a betting man, I would say that we're likely to see at least a bit of a pullback from here, and it'd be really interesting to see what's going on there. So the question for you guys is, what do you think is going to happen moving forward into next week? Do you think we continue up from here, or do you think we continue down from here as well too? So really interesting, because a lot of the stocks, like for example, we saw Netflix, right? Netflix, we're starting to see like Netflix actually gap down from here. So I would believe that we're starting to see a lot of stocks probably even gap down a lot more based on the earnings, especially based on the tech sector as well too. So let me know what you think in the chat box below.